एक बंदे ने कमेंट किया है, बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम। मैं कहता हूँ प्रॉब्लम है, इस कंट्री में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, राइट। मैं उसको थोड़ा सा और बेटर समझने की उसमें आया हूँ, मतलब पोजीशन में हूँ इस वक्त। तो लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स इन दिस कंट्री, ठीक है ना। व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम? सी बेसिकली आई grew up in a middle class family and probably most of you guys grew up in a middle class family or a lower middle class family. ठीक है, I grew up in actually a lower middle class family, right? Now what happens is when you grow in a lower middle class family, you know, or middle class family, and then you work so hard and you take so much risk, and you put so much effort and intelligence into this, and you went to the best college, one of the best colleges, and after that if you are still in middle minus, that's the problem statement. You should be in either upper middle class or even upper class, right? Within upper class, let's say you want to say there are 5 levels, then you should be at the level, at least at the level 1, if not at level 5 of a money, at least be at the level 1 or level 2. So many people so this is the problem statement. And one of the other things about this problem is many people who are in India, they are already in either middle class or many time in upper middle class. They think that this middle minus lifestyle of America, so I don't call it middle class also, this middle minus, this is middle minus because you don't have maid, so you have Mercedes, so it's middle class, you know, but maid is to me more important. So this is middle minus lifestyle. So they think that this middle minus lifestyle is really good. They leave their upper class lifestyle in India. They leave their upper middle class lifestyle in. Many people leave their upper class lifestyle in India and come to these idiotic countries like America, UK, Canada, Australia, etc., Europe, etc., feeling that they are doing something really nice. Yes, that is the problem. That is the part of the problem, and that is part of the problem that I'm addressing. This is middle minus lifestyle. And other things is, I also tend to tell you, in India, if you are in, let's say, middle class or lower middle class, it's very easy to become upper class, or upper middle class, very easy to become. That's what the whole thing is. You know, we work so hard. I have a guy, he's a friend of mine, he's in Pakistan, and he's a network engineer, very smart guy, very smart guy. I'm pretty sure he deserves an upper middle class lifestyle or upper class lifestyle. Why not? And he will get it by using basic principles of this thing. The day he decides to come to America, it becomes a problem. He will always be stuck in this middle minus lifestyle. And those are the things that I'm trying to tell. You know, even in 600K, you will still be in middle minus lifestyle. You will not be able to solve this issue. And you will never be able to upper class, never be able to become upper class or upper middle class. And that is the problem. In America, it's very hard to become upper class or upper middle class. It's very difficult. It's impossible. It's almost impossible. And and all the justifications, all the videos are really towards how this is a middle minus lifestyle, and how in 600K also you cannot live better than really a lower middle class person or a little, as I said, middle minus lifestyle of India. And how middle class people and upper middle class people are making a lot of mistake by coming here, and where are the symptoms of this style so that they can watch it. I show it in movies, I show it everywhere, and I show how movies are glamorizing the American lifestyle, whereas it is simply a middle minus lifestyle. And all those things is what I'm talking about, especially upper class. I have seen some guys who are extremely successful in India, 50-acre zameen in Punjab, worth 50 lakhs each, 25 crore rupees property, and they want to come to America. Yes, I've seen a girl. Her father is making 1.5 crore a year, and she easily could make a lot of money. She could, you know, invest in properties and make a lot of money. But rather than that, she has come to America to get settled here. She's the only one. This is upper class lifestyle of India. She has left, and she's gonna be working here as a maid all her life. That is the problem. So this is the problem statement. And I'm going to tell more and more. If you guys, please keep encouraging me. This encouraged me. When you guys asked me this question, this encouraged me to really think through all this maze of videos and understand what my central message is. My central message is, do not come to America. Do not go to UK, London. Do not go to Canada. These are all shitty places. They will give you only a middle minus lifestyle. You will forever be living this middle minus lifestyle. It is almost impossible to get out of this middle minus lifestyle, and you will always be stuck in this. Thank you guys.